Salam everyone, welcome back. And now we are on stage 2, mashallah, and we're going to start with Surah Yaseen. And I don't cover basics again here, so if you are completely new to this channel and you want to learn the basics, then please check out Surah Mu'minun lesson 1 to 5. That covers the basics, and then hopefully after that you'll be ready to join us with lesson 1 of Surah Yaseen. So if you've been following the lessons at this point, you have a good hold of some of the words and the vocabulary. You also understand a bit of the grammar now. And so I feel like what we can do now is, instead of focusing on words, we can look at entire verses and entire phrases and see if they mean anything to us, and then see if we actually understand those bits. So that's how stage 2 is different. So now we're building up and getting closer and closer to our aim, which is to understand the Quran in Arabic while it's being recited. So carry on watching, and best wishes on your journey, inshallah.
So, should we start a new surah?
Let's.
And I went through the notes from the last course I did, and we did Surah Yaseen as the second.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Good, right? It works for Hiba as well because she was memorizing it, and then Bervan, you seem very excited. I'm like, Awa.
Yeah, sure. That's also one of the surahs I was learning, so it sounds perfect.
Yeah.
So perfect. And it's just the right level of difficulty, so it's slight step up, but not too difficult. So, let's start. Bismillah. Bervan, you're first on the screen, so go.
Okay, Yasin. There is no translation for that.
Yep.
Wal-Qur'an al-Hakim. Qur'an al-Hakim. The Quran is al-Hakim. It's like, wait. So Hakim means Hakam. It's like, it's a book of judgments.
That would be hukm, but this is more from hikmah, which is wisdom.
Okay.
And you know how we say Allah, one of his names is Al-Hakim, like Al-Alim Al-Hakim. So Hakim means wise.
Yeah, okay. It's just because, the wise, the book full of wisdom. Also heard that Ustad Numan Al Khan, he said that it also means a book full of verdicts. Like, it's like full of wisdom, full of verdicts. And I can't remember the last thing. There was 3 things.
Okay, that's good to know.
But yeah, when you said wise, that's true. I remember that now when he also mentioned that. Okay, so Quran al-Hakim means, and the Quran is the
so
wisdom.
Here the wise more like, I swear by the Quran, like God is taking an oath on the Quran. Okay.
Like, how do you get that?
Is that yours, Heba?
Yeah, sorry, sorting it out.
That's fine.
Right.
Okay. So
how do you see it's a swearing?
Just by knowing, like you'll come across these enough times, because there's no, it's like, and the Quran is wise, like it doesn't connect to anything before it. So I'm guessing that's what makes the wa up by. Also, there are some like, the 30th juz, like Watini was Zaytun, and you just know that when it starts like that, then it's an oath.
I think like one thing that also maybe tells it is that usually when the wow is for swearing, the word after it, I think ends with e. So like with t was zaytuni, like wal Qur'ani. So like
That's that's very
that's
subtle thing.
Brilliant.
It's such a subtle thing that brings in that meaning. That's amazing.
Okay, inshallah, wal-Qur'an al-Hakim.
Thank you for sharing, Awa. Okay, Hiba, you're next, number 3.
إنك لمن المرسلين. So إنك is you, لمن from المرسلين. Mursalin is from mursal. So the person who delivers the message, and mursalin is plural. So you, indeed, you are from the messengers.
Yeah. Good. Awa, you're next.
Upon a straight path.
Good. Behfa?
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. Tanzil is send, right? Send down.
Mm-hmm.
Tanzil. Yo, Tanzil. There's another word as well for send down.
Nazil.
Ah, Nazil. Okay. But wait, isn't that the same Nazil?
Oh, Mursal.
Yeah, okay.
Mursal.
Tanzil al-Aziz al-Rahim. Send Tanzil al-Aziz al-Rahim. Like, so sent from, like, sent by the al-Aziz, the al-Rahim, the elevated and the like the loving, caring, merciful.
So Aziz, it means almighty, but it also means dear.
Almighty, elevate. What is the elevate? Oh, that's ala. Ala. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The Almighty. Okay, tamam.
So as in, this is the revelation from Tanzil al-Aziz al-Rahim, or sent down by the Almighty, most merciful. Yeah.
Yeah, the messenger, right? Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
No. So the Tanzil, as in the book, it's still coming. It's now, I think, coming back to the Quran and Hakim. That this is the Tanzil. This is something sent down by the Almighty and the Most Merciful, meaning Allah. And Tanzil, like it's something sent down from Him.
But isn't it like, because before it says, and you are among the messengers, isn't it the Prophet?
No, because Tanzil is definitely used for something sent down, like a book or something. For messenger, it would be Mursal. And Tanzil, like, also mean like revelation. It's in that kind of term.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you, Hiba?
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون. لتنذر. Actually, I don't know what.
Nadir?
تنذر. نذير.
Warner.
Okay. And then that is for you. So you warn قوما, people, ما أنذر آباؤهم. So آباؤهم is their forefathers. And then فهم غافلون, like, so they were, غافل is like people who don't follow, like, yeah,
Yes, or ignorant.
ignorant.
Yeah.
So that you could warn people whose forefathers were ignorant.
Yeah, and who weren't warned. So ma undira abahum. The ma here is no.
Is a negation. Okay.
Yeah, fahum ghafilun, and so they were heedless, or they are heedless. Okay, Awa, your turn. Let me know if I need to write down anything from here. Yeah, but so far I feel like these are words you know.
Like, can I ask a question?
Yeah, of course.
So the before the last ayah, it said unzira. What does unzira?
Unzira. So it's like tunzir and Nazir. That's how I would remember Nazir, meaning like warner. So you know how God says, "Inna arsalnaka bil haqqi bashiran wa nadhira," or Bashir wa Nazir, Bashir wa Nazir is used so much for the Prophet. So as in he came as a warner, and Bashir meaning the glad tidings. So Nazir and then Nuzur meaning a warning. Nuzur. And like litunzira, so that you would warn. This ta is the you, so you warn. And ma unzira, it's the same. Who's who weren't warned. Ma unzir. Make sense?
Okay. No, okay.
Good. And who was next?
I was.
Allah.
والقول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. حق القول. Certainly حق القول. I guess the word came true. So I think it's sort of like that basically a decree was already passed about them, sort of in that meaning, but the word already came true. على أكثرهم, about most of them.
Yeah.
So they do not believe.
Exactly. Because it's like فهم لا يؤمنون, that they will not believe. So that's why the decree of God has already been justified or preceded against them because they will not believe. Okay?
So that's it for lesson 1 from Surah Yaseen. I hope you really enjoyed the lesson and you benefited from it. Please subscribe and share with your family and friends if you find these helpful. And keep watching and keep revising. Assalamu alaikum.